Yes.
My lord, liberty to mention one restoration application upon notice, my lord. Last time I mentioned your lordship.
Yes. Yes.
Grateful, my lord.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention a review matter which is pending for long time.
Pardon?
I served them notice.
Review.
Review. Yes,
Our
sir.
order.
Yes, sir. Yes, the order of the division bench, my lord.
Our order.
It was filed in the year
We are
2022.
asking, is it review of our
Yes,
order?
yes, yes.
Please show us that order.
It is Honorable Justice Mr. Datto, the then active.
Honorable Justice.
I have stated everything here. This matter appeared before your lordship when your lordship was sitting in court number 11. Matter appeared number of times, but as opposite party did not appear, matter not been heard. Let this matter be first listed as to be mentioned. Let them come, then your lordship fixed.
We are asking you the parent order of which you are seeking review. Was that order passed by myself and my brother?
Yes, yes, my lord.
Show us that order. We check up.
It is mentioned in the petition. Order is not there, I have stated.
Please show us that order. You said that you have mentioned before us.
Yeah, but my lord, that order is with main petition, review petition. Judgment order of the Honorable Justice that annexed in the review application.
So you
Let
come
the-
with that order. Show us that order of which you
Of
want.
20 and 2020. Thereafter, when I filed review application, let it be listed as to be mentioned only.
Sir, where is the order? You bring the order to us. If
Yes.
it is not by one of us, we have to assign it to a particular bench.
But
And
that
if it
bench
is of-
is no more in existence. Mr.
Please
Datta
show the
transfer
order, then we can decide.
last order. Let it be as to be mentioned. I shall put it before you.
First, you show us that order, then we will decide.
Review
Come
that
with
order is in the review application. I am mentioning for listing as to be mentioned. On that day, I shall put it before your lordship. Let it be. Widow is suffering from 1989. And division bench of the tribunal directed that termination was not proper.
The order has been passed by Honorable Justice Dipankar Datta and Honorable Justice Pratik Prakash Banerjee.
Justice?
Dipankar Datta and Honorable Justice Pratik Prakash Banerjee, as his lordship then was.
Oh, yes, then it has to be assigned now. Meet with my secretariat officer, they will tell you what is to be done. Yes.
Then your lordship is not taking this
There is a designated
WPC
bench.
of 20.
You please meet with my officers in the secretariat, they will explain to you. Yes.
My lord, may I have your lordship's leave, my lord, to mention a matter pertaining to hawkers. Matter pertaining to hawkers, my lord. My lord, your lordship, item number 13 appearing, and similar matter is item number 13 appearing in your lordship's list today, my lord. This matter has been assigned yesterday, my lord, before your lordship.
Up by us, but let এটাকে Tuesday করে দাও.
But may I be permitted to?
Wait. Item number 13 টাতে for me or others.
I will.
Yes.
We're asking for liberty to mention WPAP 293 with 296. Milord would remember the matter pertaining to the illegal hoardings in BMC area. Milord had mentioned in the last week, Milord said that it will be taken.
What you are wanting?
Milord, for inclusion, Milord, last week it was, I mentioned it, your lordship was pleased to keep it this week, Milord. It has not yet appeared in the list, but I am of the view, Milord, it has.
Once the file comes, our officer will place it in the list.
Milord, the file, Milord, it was told that the file was in court number 8, but it's not so. On 30th of January, the last order was passed by this court only. Milord, I had My lord.
The-
The issue.
My lord, may I be,
May I be,
my lord, may I?
may I be,
Give the number. Give the number. He
My
will.
lord, I'll give it right now.
Your lordship, two mat.
my lord, may I be permitted? Lordship, the direction was the matter to appear on 7th July. Lordship, the matter has not appeared, Lordship.
To mention, Lordship, Union of India's two matter, similar matter, wherein we are facing execution. The date of execution is fixed on Tuesday before the learned administrative tribunal. Your Lordship, the matter could appear. This is an issue wherein people, employees in Bhutan who were under contract, they're asking to be employed by the government of India as a government of India employee. A notification was withdrawn in 2018.
You are mentioning so late. You knew that it is fixed before the.
Your Lordship, there was a change of advocate.
When was the matter filed?
2025, Your
So
Lordship.
what you are doing?
Your Lordship, there has been a change of brief, Your Lordship. The Union of India, the previous councils have changed.
That
Your Lordship,
cannot be a ground for adjournment.
kindly, there's a notification of central government which,
Is the contempt.
Your Lordship.
May I be permitted to mention?
Negligent about the status of matters, you should face the contempt. Yes.
My lord, I am praying for inclusion of one matter, my lord. It went to the Lavazima court due to some defects, my lord. We had rectified it and right now it's not in the list. It's pending for admission, my lord.
What public interest litigation?
FMA matter, my lord.
FMA, that
Yes.
is
Appeal,
appeal.
appeal
Do
from
we have
police in
any
action.
determination?
From police in action.
Yes,
My Lord, may I be permitted to mention two PIL matters, my Lord? This was to be appearing on 3rd July. Now, that day I mentioned again, and till now it is not reflecting in the list, my Lord.
Was it
Under the
hard
as-
earlier? Was it hard earlier?
Yes, my Lord. Yes, my Lord. I have affixed my Lord's order in the mentioning slip.
Lord, may I mention another review application?
We included, don't worry. Yes,
Mention a matter for upgradation.
upgradation not. Follow the combined list, let us see what.
My lord, in a case of illegal construction, my lord, one prohibitory order was issued, but it has been expired, my lord, and the matter is not in the list, my lord.
Take appropriate steps if it has expired.
My lord, kindly see the last order.
You take it has expired, na? You take appropriate steps.
My lord, it was from your lordship's bench only, the order was passed, and liberty was there to mention, my lord.
Why did you
Liberty
not
was
mention
there to
before
mention.
I
expiry?
didn't to mention earlier. When was the interim order passed?
Interim order was passed in, my lord, 8th April, my lord,
Very good. Interim
And-
order was still.
till last day of June
Why did you
2026.
mention?
Today is July. My lord.
Huh? You did not keep a watch upon it. You did not mention.
But liberty was granted in the order to mention, my lord.
Okay, what? Sit down.
আবার reinstate করতে হবে, এবারে কাকে?
March order.
My
Where
lord,
is the second March order?
my lord, I did not annex it, my lord.
Bring that order.
Nobody appeared, my lord, on the 2nd March, my lord. That's why service.
You appeared.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Come with that order of second March.
Okay, my lord.
Give a further notice mentioned. Come with that order.
Okay.
Yes. এই কার্তিক, এই কার্তিক, এটার একটা খাবার ছিল, তা পড়ে গেছে, একটু দেখো তো।
Term for the petitioner. The matter pertains to, my lord, non-payment of electricity dues, my lord, by the respondent number.
Oh, yes, madam. What has happened?
My lord, may I be permitted to place the status report of this case?
Tell us now what you think.
My lord, respondent number 10 and 11, my lord, they were arrested, my lord. Who has illegally collected. Subsequently, they were enlarged on bail, my lord. Now, my lord, the report indicates, my lord, for resolving this issue, my lord, Water Resources Investigation and Development Department of WRIDD, my lord, it has to be made a party, my lord. My lord, they are responsible for carrying out all these things, my lord. My lord, if they
What the video is saying?
you are saying, my lord, if WRIDD
He's shifting his burden.
my lord, only, my lord, if they are added as a party,
What will they do, sir? It is a question of recovery of the money from that person.
my lord, that is a criminal investigation. They were arrested, subsequently enlarged on bail.
Attach their bank accounts. What money they have in their bank?
That has to
The money is for the villagers' money.
yes, my lord.
Now you are shifting the burden. Your BDO says, I cannot do anything. Go to the implead the corporation. They will be deciding whether that pump will be given or not. That is limited to their decision. But if the money is not paid, then how they will get connection?
Under which heading he will release this money, my lord?
If the money is not with him, how can he release? Money has already been transferred to the account of those two persons. Now it is a question that has to be paid to the WBECDCL or
Yes,
whichever.
the
So
electricity.
they will never give connection if the money is not paid. Now why will the villagers suffer?
Who constituted the committee? কমিটিটা কে কনস্টিটিউট করেছে?
My lord, kindly WR, my lord, may I make a innocuous prayer, my lord? My lord, WRITT may be directed to attach the money from them, my lord. Because this is the regulatory authority, my lord, who looks after all these agricultural works, my lord, including supply, my lord.
It was upon the BDO to contact them and come with the report. He's shifting the burden to the High Court. He says, you make him party, then I will consult. What is this, sir?
No, my lord, I will ask them to, my lord, go coordinate with this WRIDD and, my lord, take necessary steps, my lord.
What necessary steps will take? He himself has written that the money is with them. Come to the answer given. That letter was produced. Who is appearing for 10 and 11?
No, but my lord. Even we tried to contact them, my lord. They were not found, my lord. It is in the
Serve upon them.
Yes, my lord, I have
Was the service.
on the last occasion, my lord directed me to communicate the order, my lord, which I have communicated them. However,
Those respondents.
those two respondent and it was delivered to them, my lord. And
You have annexed here.
I have annexed here, my lord. And respondent at number 8, my lord, it was not delivered to him. The BDO. However, I mailed him.
Who is respondent? Who are the members of that committee of that this West Bengal Water Resources Investigation and Development Department?
Who constituted the committee?
My lord, kindly allow us 15 minutes time, my lord. We will take instruction and come back. Who has constituted this committee and who are member of this committee? WRIDD, my lord. Kindly pass it over for,
We are not on that, Mr. Mishra.
my lord.
Money has been paid by the villagers.
My lord.
So water connection has to be given. If government cannot recover, we will direct that it will be deducted from your salary. We will direct stoppage of salary of this video. And whoever is the other, your district magistrate, everybody is there. They take no cognizance. High Court has intervened. Have you gone through our earlier order, Mr. Mishra?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Your junior ought to have apprised you about this order. You should have spoken with the BDO.
You have talked
What is
with
this, sir?
Mr. Jana has personally talked to had a talk with video, my lord.
So what purpose has been served for that? What conversation you had?
My lord, the video has said, my lord, because, my lord, the non-joiner of party, my lord, that is.
We will ask your BDO to come.
No, my lord, if possible, my lord, if possible, there is a, my lord, he has asked for the specific order so that.
We are not on that. Try to understand what we are saying. Money has been admittedly paid to the private respondents. You are saying we instituted criminal proceeding, they obtained bail and gone. Now you implement that committee, who will give the money?
Villagers.
Huh?
My
You
lord,
have to recover that money. They have already suffered for 5 years. They are not getting water connection since 2021.
my lord.
Sir, what is this?
My lord, kindly give us some time, my lord. My lord,
We heard the matter on
Yes,
24th
yes, my
June.
lord.
Today we are on
Lord,
10th of
my lord,
July.
My lord,
Yeah.
my lord, may I, with my lord's permission, may I submit, my lord?
Party আইসি পুলিশ এটা রিকভারি হবে আর কারেন্টটা যদি চালু করে
Where is the declaration page?
My lord, I have given the affidavit of service, my lord. But the declaration of what?
That instruction you showed us that persons has given an undertaking, they would pay the money.
My lord, on the last report, they have report. Here is the report, my lord. Is the my lord, report dated 1st February 2026.
Last day দেখিয়েছি।
who lost the complaint?
My lord, video.
BDO lost the complaint. So BDO lost the complaint to secure punishment of the person. But what step has been taken to recover the amount?
My lord, it may submit, my
A
lord.
criminal case
My lord, it was the police who should have recovered the money.
may entail punishment.
It was the police who could have recovered the money, my lord.
This one, present status.
Yes, my lord, present status, my lord. My lord, may I make a prayer, my lord, if my lord so permits, my lord. My lord, kindly give a one-line order, my lord, so that BDO can recover the money and seize their bank account, my lord. Since police has not done it, my lord, as it appears from the present status report, my lord, kindly pass a one-line order, my lord.
What he will do? He is saying we are not getting.
No, my lord. Since it had fallen from my lord, we will in letter and spirit, my lord, since BDO cannot on its own accord can go and seize the account, my lord. Kindly pass as a one-line order, my lord. We will do everything in our capacity to, my lord, seize the account, my lord, and recover the money, my lord. Kindly pass as a one-line order, my lord. In consultation with WRITT, my lord, we will take every steps, my lord. Kindly pass as a one-line order, my lord.
Mr. Mishro.
Mr. Majumdar is appearing, my lord, but he is assisting ASD in courtroom number 5, my lord. He was there, my lord. Since the matter was called up, my lord, he went there, my lord. And since this is a serious issue, my lord, we don't want to say, my lord, that kindly pass over or kindly not today, my lord. That's why, my lord, Mr. Majumdar was there, my lord.
Mr. Mishro.
এটা স্টেটের কেউ অ্যাপিয়ার করছে না, স্টেটেরই অ্যাপ্লিকেশন।
Respondent. Appeal take a file.
Oh, appeal collection.
Nobody is appearing on the state court.
Are you appearing? Item number 2.
Yes, I am for the Union of India. Actually, the appeal filed by the
Union of
state
India
court.
was state of.
Nobody is appearing for the state court. State of West Bengal, Dr. Nojrul Islam, IPS officer.
My lord, in this matter, learned additional advocate general, Mr. Rajiv Majumdar is there, my lord. So he is on his.
সাংঘাতিক মামলা একটা। তো কি করে appeal টা 35 পৃষ্ঠার একটা জাজমেন্ট ট্রাইব্যুনালের 35 পৃষ্ঠার জাজমেন্ট 35 পেজ। চাইলে আমি বিটটা দিয়ে দেবো, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। মার্কিং করে দিয়েছি আমি মার্কিং করে দিয়েছি।
দেখি
You didn't file any contempt before the tribunal? The order was in your favor. Why didn't you file contempt?
Actually, sir, this order is appealable to Supreme Court and review also. I filed review, they did not file.
We are telling that this order which has been impugned in this petition,
Yes,
that
sir.
is 12th of January 26.
And they directed,
We know that, but that order has not been complied with.
yes,
There is no stay order here. So why haven't you filed any contempt?
my lord, then I filed, sir. I did not file, my lord.
You don't want the money back.
I want, my lord, this is why I have come.
Bigger amount, my lord. Only 10% deduction.
No, sir, money is not the matter, stigma, my lord.
Everything has been set aside.
Yes, my lord, and they have, CAT has directed to refund the amount deducted within 19 days, 90 days. But they did not deduct, they have come to this court.
তাই জন্য তো কন্টেন্ট ফাইল করতে বলছেন আপনাকে।
Sir, I understood.
Pension. When did you retire? When did you retire?
On 14, February 28, 2014, my lord.
14.
Yes, my lord.
Have
And
they paid
this
you?
proceeding was started in 12, my lord.
Have they paid you provisional pension?
Provision pension at that time, the regular pension started only after 7 years when the Supreme Court ordered, my lord.
Now you are getting pension.
My lord,
Full pension you are getting.
full pension I am getting, my lord.
Full pension you are getting.
My lord, actually, the state government started the proceeding and recommended for pension cut for perpetuity. But central government cut only 10% for 1 year. And I went against this order to CAT, and CAT set aside the order and directed the respondent to refund the money within 90 days. my lord.
What was the amount to be refunded?
It may be 1 lakh or so, because 10% only, my lord.
But today you are getting your pension.
Yes, my lord.
Full pension you are getting.
Yes, my lord. After the Supreme Court order.
So now only the issue is whether they are why they are not paying that 1 lakh amount to you. This is the issue.
Maybe 1 lakh or something.
Refund,
More or less.
actually refund.
Why they have not deducted, my lord? Deducted, and they have, as per the order of the CAT, they have not paid. They have come to this court, my lord. A judicial review.
Deduction for
This-
10% for only 1 year. That is the order of the central.
Oh.
That means that
Is over.
respondents are directed to pay full pension to the applicant without resorting to any cut.
Yes, my lord.
That has been given.
But
pension
this
is being
part,
given.
this part refund the amount if already deducted.
Yes, my lord, this part they have not complied with.
All right.
The full pension started, my lord, 2021 after the Supreme Court direction that
Yes, you are appearing.
My lord, learned additional AG Rajdeep Mojumdar is in this
Have
matter.
you incorporated all your pleadings used before the tribunal?
yes, my lord, and I also filed review
তো
petition.
নয় তো owners তো নয় have you checked up all the pleadings has been included in this petition?
Yes, they have included, my lord, in the last submission. They have
OA, reply, rejoinder, all have been included.
but the court directed to submit the written notes last time that they have not incorporated. I submitted.
Written notes is another thing. The OA, OA reply.
Actually, state government did not submit even the para is reply, my lord.
There are 4 volumes, 5 volumes. Consisting of all that.
Actually, government of India did not file any reply.
State filed.
State filed, not para is reply, my lord. Only they said that after the review, revision, and memorial, this application is not maintainable. But the CAT did not accept it. And the rule is that after exhausting all these remedies, only this OA is maintainable. So I did that. But the state only objection was.
You have the copy of the petition now. Have they served upon you? This copy
They have served, my lord.
State will not be using any further evidence.
I don't think so.
In the tribunal, state filed any reply?
Yes, yes.
They filed reply, but their only plea was that.
We are not asking. We are
filed, my lord, filed.
A Union of India did not file.
Did not file.
And you need not file also. Appearing for the state.
No, additional Advocate General Mr. Mojumdar is there, my lord, in this matter.
Who is assisting him? You
I am assisting him, my lord.
So you tell us, we will keep it for final hearing.
My lord, any day next week,
My lord, first it
my lord,
decided whether my lord will admit it. Then I shall say why it should not be admitted.
For that, we have to set a date when they will
My
come.
lord, if the court is going to admit it, then
Who told you that we are admitting? We are asking him.
My lord, I am saying that I shall then make my submission that this learned court should not admit it.
We have not admitted the petition.
My lord, I am aware. Only they have filed petition, it is in motion stage.
Yes, Ashok. Heard me
This matter was yesterday mentioned along with item number 34, which was appearing yesterday's list. Lordship was kind enough to fix both the matter on Thursday, coming Thursday. 16th, right? 16 July.
We have kept it on 16th July.
16th. This, along with item number 34, yesterday's list. The two writ petition, two public interest litigation.
ওইটা তাহলে নোট করে নাও 16th July. What is your what is that matter?
Item number 34. Sheredil Young Sports Club.
You have to write it down and hand to her.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, my junior will write it and give it to my lordship.
Lordship.
16th July রেখে দিও. Yes.
Grateful, Lordship.
I'm grateful.
Well, happy for the pollution control board.
Oh, that matter.
কোথায় গেল?
That drum.
Lordship, yes, my
Madam Drum.
yes, my lord.
Where is the state?
Mr. Sharma তো? Mr. Sharma was here on the last occasion.
Who was Mr. Mishro?
Mr. Mishra, sir. Mr. Mishra was here. কোথায় গেল? Mishra. তোদের দুটো কপি দে। দুটো জলকে তো দুটো দিতে হবে। একই তো।
Respondent number 3 কে বলেছিল।
But I have yes, although lordships have not directed me, my client person, but I have an inspection report. Your lordships one will take and hand it over to your lordships. এই এটা একটু চাচ্ছি প্রথমটা সই করা আছে নাকি পরে দুটোতেই আছে তাই তো আচ্ছা यार এদিকে সরে
উনি সেশন কিছু নেই
Yes, Mr. Mishro.
My lord, kindly pass it over, my lord. Report is there in my office, my lord. Yes,
Have you read the report?
I have. We have complied the order, my lord.
No, my lord, order was not complied.
My lord, already
My lord.
West Bengal Pollution Control Board was intimated of my lord's order, my lord. West Bengal Pollution Control Board went there, my lord.
that is my report
Several places within the vicinity, my lord, we have given publicity to my lord's order, and it was in its letters and spirit. My lord's order was complied, my lord.
My lord, I'm
No, there was no commotion, no disturbance at all, my lord.
The report is
Is there, my lord? Within 5 minutes, I will.
So you give a copy of the report to her.
Yes, my lord, I will serve it. Right.
my lord, I'm seeking
Yes,
time
copy.
for reply.
शर्मा ना Mishra.
Madam, solve the
ये मैं
problem.
तुमको फोटोकॉपी करके दे
You
रहा
have
हूँ
assisted.
अभी दे देता हूँ
My lord,
same thing
Your,
that is
your festival is now over.
my lord,
As regards the steps taken, you see whether you must be knowing with what steps have been taken.
my lord, throughout the night, drum was beaten on 25th of June. Since 11, I'm having video footages also, my lord. If lord could,
What do you want from us now?
my
What do
lord,
you want ordered from us?
my lord, I'm asking for the strict punishment for the violators.
Uh.
I had given complaint letter to made FIR against those people who has violated.
Very good.
Who
When
has
did you file that?
I have given this letter on 29th of June to Commissioner of Police, my lord.
Commissioner of Police will not help. Local PSU, have they given you any FIR number? Any FIR number has been given to you?
No, my lord. And one letter I had given to OC also.
ডেসিবেলটাকে এক্সিড করে যায় তখন সেটা অন
I am for the petitioner.
Which item number 5?
Worship, the petitioner before you is a public spirited person. He has made representation alleging that several properties which are the work of properties. These properties before your lordship are the registered work of properties. The petitioner made representation alleging that these work of properties have been recorded. Certain private respondents who before your lordships have recorded their name in the record of rights against this work of properties, your lordship. And we have made representation regarding that. The petitioner before your lordship. On last occasion, your lordship directed by learned senior to to provide instructions regarding this, as he sought time for taking proper instructions.
Yes, sir.
Lordship, as this is a work of property,
Take the mic.
this is a work of property, Your Lordship. The appropriate forum is the work of tribunal to decide any disputes. Lordship, I'm placing.
Where is your service to the private respondent?
And moreover, Your Lordship, they are asking for the records of right, which the concerned BLRO, the records of rights are not with us. It is with the concerned BLRO. And how can we provide the same? And moreover, there is an appointed Mutawalli as well, Your Lordship.
You just only giving oral reply to this allegation.
Your Lordship,
Have you heard? It is your property. Property, he is claiming that the property belongs to the work of board.
no, Your Lordship,
But illegally, by way of illegal means, the same has been recorded in name of some certain private person.
Lordship,
So have you ever taken information from the BL and LRO
Lordship, the
to
concern.
ascertain whether this allegation is correct or not?
Board's only function is to appear and take adjournment or
Lordship,
say another submission.
Lordship, we have placed before Your Lordship the decision of the Supreme Court whether.
Don't show us Supreme Court order. We are restrict yourself to this petition.
Yeah.
First, satisfy what steps you have taken.
Lordship, they have just asked for the records whether we are not.
No. They have not asked
Our
for.
representation.
They have asked for preventive action to be taken under the relevant provision.
Indeed, your lordship.
When there is an appointed Mutawalli, Your Lordship,
Mhm.
there is an appointed Mutawalli. So the Mutawalli himself is the manager of the estate.
You call that Mutawalli?
Your Lordship,
Call your Mutawalli.
if Your Lordship directs so, then we.
Yes, naturally.
As Your Lordship.
We want an answer from you. Don't send this person to BLRO office, go to DLRO office, not the proper forum. What is your instruction? You tell us.
My instructions are, Lordship, are placed because they should go to the tribunal because any interested
Whether
person.
any third party can approach the tribunal?
Lordship, any interested person can approach the tribunal.
Any person?
Any person, any interested person also.
So as
Lordship, I placed before Your Lordship.
the question of locus will not be raised by the tribunal.
Lordship, I placed before Your Lordship. Paragraph number 12. Any dispute.
Paragraph number 12.
That is section 83,
Lordship.
where it says that anyone can go.
If any dispute relating, and if no order has been passed also, still they can approach Your Lordship. It has been specified in the foregoing paragraphs as well. Paragraph number probably 13. I'm not equipped with another copy, Your Lordship.
এইটা
Yes, you're covered by this judgment.
এইটা কোথায় আছে যে despite having no personal interest
Paragraph,
কি এটা বলছি
paragraph 15, 16 that. 16 that.
the party any person can
Paragraph 14, 15, 16. Any dispute বলতে কি বোঝাচ্ছে সেটা বলে very wide connotation. Any dispute
question is that any person, despite having no personal interest regarding regarding the land,
Lordships,
we
any person or any dispute or lordship,
পরের পাতায়
both has been covered, your lordship.
the party can have.
you go through it and come back. This is open for you.
And moreover, your lordship, I'm placing
Course of hearing. In course of hearing, comma, the learned advocate appearing
Item number 6, I beg to appear for the petitioner. This matter pertains to, my lord, some defalcation of funds and misappropriation of funds of, my lord, Shaha Institute of Nuclear Physics. My lord would kindly
Have
come.
you served respondent number 7?
My lord, respondent number 7 I have served, but unfortunately, my lord, the track report, I have not got the track report. However,
Okay. There was a previous
yes,
direction.
I have complied with the direction. I have served upon her, but my lord, I do not have the track report. That is the difficulty.
Come with the track report.
Well, my lord.
No, this is a public interest litigation touching the service matter.
Next Friday. Yes. Yes, next. এইটাকে
This was relating to Vande Mataram. I had circulated the orders. Kindly keep it on Monday so that the learned people
circulated the
order of the Karnataka High Court on the same issue and Supreme Court. This was relating to challenge of Vande Mataram song.
you got it.
Yes, my lords. We have received
Keep it
the
Monday
two
or Tuesday.
judgments of the Delhi Supreme Court and the Karnataka High
Have
Court.
you gone through it?
Yes, my lords, we have gone through.
Emails?
Yes, my lords, there's some arguments. My learned senior, I'm being led by Mr. Bikashanjan Bhattacharya in this matter, my lords. So there are some matters.
Pardon?
I'm in this matter, my lords. I'm being led by Mr. Bikashanjan Bhattacharya, senior advocate. So there are certain points which he wants to submit before my lords in this matter.
Similar issue will dismissed by the Supreme Court as well as Karnataka High Court.
Give
Yes,
the-
Lord Counsel.
And
Adjourn.
my
Monday.
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 one minute.
Karnataka to diye raho.
What is this?
Entertain করেনি।
Premature.
Well, one is Karnataka High Court and another is Supreme Court.
No, no, either.
An adjournment has been prayed for on behalf of the
And I'm for the petitioner, your lordship. Your lordship, in persons of your lordship direction on 9th March 2026, lordship, I served the notice to the respondent number 5, Jela Purishad, my lord.
I'm for the respondent number 12, 13, private respondent.
Yes, what is your case? Tell us.
Well, case is there, my lord. My lord,
Hard on March 2006, you
Six.
took time.
my lord, last occasion I took time, my lord. My lord, I was engaged in another court. My lord, there is a sanctioned drain.
Jela Parishad has not been served.
My lord, I have repeatedly served, but they did not accepting the notice, my lord.
Have you filed an affidavit in
Yes, my lord, I have filed.
service?
My lord.
Affidavit of service
Yes,
filed?
my lord, I have filed the affidavit service.
Lord, I will file the affidavit in opposition because my lord.
Wait, let us. Yes, tell us what is the matter.
Page 14 and page, my lord.
Page 14.
Yes, my lord. Affidavit service, page 14.
What is the case? What is the
Okay.
matter?
My lord, Jela Parishad sanction a covered drain, my lord, beside the Panchayat road, my lord. My lord, when the work of drain is continuing, my lord, the private respondent restrain the drainage work. My lord, alleging that that drain is completely within his periphery within his area. Well, thereafter we file an application under section 164 BNSS, and on the basis of the application, SDO has directed to the BLRO to inquire and submit a report.
Where is that? Where is
My
that?
lord, BLRO report is, my lord, page 36, 34, 36, my lord.
You are, who are you?
It is a public interest litigation, my lord. I'm one of the villagers. Page 34, 36, my lord.
What you have said?
My lord.
34, 36.
Yes, my lord. Page
The
34.
representation of you.
No, my lord, running page, my lord. No, it is a BLR written report of the RI.
Where is it?
Page 34, my lord.
Page 34 is your representation.
No, my lord, it is RI report. Can it's next page 35?
Oh, this is the revenue
My lord.
inspector report. What he has said?
Yes, he said that the boundary wall of the private respondent has enclosed 4 links towards the drain, which cover the drain, my lord. And there is a old, my lord, wall, boundary wall is there, which is dangerous for one kind. May I read it? The last portion of 34. সরেজমিন পরিমাণে দেখা যায় বর্তমান গ্রাম্য ঢালাই রাস্তাটি এত দাগে অবস্থিত। পরিমাপ করে আরো জানা যায় প্রাচীরটি প্রাচ্য ঢালাই রাস্তার 4 লিঙ্ক করে জায়গার উপর অবস্থিত। মানে প্রাচীরের উত্তর কিছুটা সঠিক জায়গার উপরে অবস্থান করলেও দক্ষিণাংশ প্রায় 4 লিঙ্ক করে সরকারি জায়গার উপরে অবস্থান করে আছে। একটি জেরক্স নকশায় তা দেখানো হইয়াছে। গ্রামীণ জল নিকাশির জন্য ওই প্রাচীর বাধা সৃষ্টি হয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে। এমত অবস্থায় জল নিকাশি আটকে গেলে গ্রামবাসীগণ খুব অসুবিধা পড়ে যাবে। মানে thereafter, page 36, there is a hand map, my lords, prepared by the RI.
Very good. Then what happened in that process?
My lord, what happened, my lord? Just RI has submitted the report on 4th July 2025 to the SDO. Thereafter, private respondent filed a title suit on the same self my lord, 2367, and filed an application for injunction. The said injunction was refused. My lord, those after refused, my lord, he is totally restrained the working of the public drain, my lord. If you lordship kindly come to the page 16, there is a placard of work. Page 16, my lord.
No, that.
Sorry, 17, my lord.
That is civil suit was filed.
After that.
By the person alleging that the drain has encroached upon her property.
No, my lord. She filed a suit for declaration and injunction.
The private respondent filed against some of the villagers.
No, private respondent filed.
Filed against
one of the persons.
Sushil Patro, Kamal Krishna Das, Ananto Patro, Krishna Das.
They are some villagers. They are some villagers, adjacent land. They are trying to encroach my land. But I am ready to give my land. But by way of acquisition, they can. But for the interest of the public, I have no objection.
But if it is found that you are encroaching the government land,
then they will take the step. Kindly direct the DM. I am praying before your lordship.
Let a survey be conducted.
Yes, my lord.
Let a survey be conducted.
Yes.
Under the supervision of BL and LRO.
BLRO no. DM. Because my lord, I am
every
no, I am submitting before your lordship.
From the DM
at
is required.
The instance of the report which was filed.
Your property dispute is not so dispute that intervention of the DM is required at your instance.
No, it is minor. They have made an application to the DM. They have made an application. Malak, kindly see page 57. Malak, kindly see page 57. Malak, kindly see page 57.
Government can encroach করেনি encroach যেটা বলছে যে আড়াই যেটা বলছে যে বললে
এই যে 57 One thing I am praying before your lordship, they made an application before the DM, page 57.
Look.
After that, on 6th February 2026, they made an application before the DM, District Magistrate Purva Midnapur, taking step. Within 3 days, they come before your lordship. So, though my lord, the matter is before the DM, DM can take step accordingly. I have no objection. They will, if they say they, my lord, the Prati, might the wall is.
That suit your party.
Yes, my lord.
Suit your party.
Shoot, I have made an file a shoot declaration, but I made an application of order 1 rule 10 for adding the DM as well as the state government. That application is still pending for hearing. I have taken a plea. My pleading is that my land is there. They had forcefully acquired my land. I am ready. I am ready to give the land for the public purpose. If government require, so by way of acquisition, they can. Without any, it is not possible because my property is there, my residential house is there, my pukur is there, everything is there within the zone of the Pakka Prachit.
My lord,
My lord, the then political party, my lord, forcefully.
May
I
I,
have
sir?
not come to that.
Wait, sir.
Yes, my lord.
May I submit one thing, my lord?
Where is your representation? to the-
Representation page 67, my lord.
57.
57 to 67. my lord.
Only see 57, my lord.
Oh, you take consideration.
DM, BDO, all are the parties, my lord.
Complaints dispute cropped up between you and your neighbors,
Adjacent landholders.
same villagers.
My lord.
So if the dispute can be settled, it is the contention of the villagers that you have encroached upon certain portion of the land. If you release that land, one drain can be constructed on the same. Okay? And your contention is that the neighbors have encroached your land. Neighbors, if neighbors encroach your land, that is a private dispute. And if you encroach upon the government land, that is another dispute.
Yes, certainly.
Government land should be used for public purposes.
Yes, my lord.
You want. The people in general will be benefited.
But I am agree. I am
You
agree.
settle the dispute.
I am agree to give my land by way of acquisition.
My lord,
By way of
my lord,
acquisition, the government,
let me
my lord,
a joint
authority,
inspection
DM is the
be given.
authority.
A joint inspection, my lord.
DM is the authority. I am ready.
Go to the DM already. Objection.
By way of acquisition.
Yes, we will
If
record
it is
yourself.
your land, then
Yes, yes.
if it is your land,
Yes.
the government want to use it for public purpose, then the question of acquisition will come.
Yes, yes.
But if it is found that you have encroached upon the government land, then you have to release that.
Yes, certainly. Hold on,
Otherwise, proceedings.
Hello, what happened? One drain is there. They have enclosed this.
Present
They have closed this.
Praying for a direction upon the respondent number, upon the concerned respondent to complete
This is the last report. দেখলাম ডায়েরি হয়েছে শুধু।
I mean number 10. Point are same.
Kindly, if your lordship kindly peruses the order dated 11th of May 2026.
এই পাতাটা ছিঁড়ে নে, এটা তো আগে এই
We have also
পাতাটা
served the
সরকে
state
দেয়া
in this
যাবে।
matter. The state is being represented, I presume.
A report has come, sir.
Yes, yes, my lord. BLRO and KMC, my lord, have both filed. I'm for the private respondent, but BLRO, KMC have both filed reports. This writ petition is
It's after this order. This
Lord,
order.
Insofar as after this order, my lord, insofar as KMC's report has been furnished to us.
Yes.
The
State
BL
was-
and LRO's report has also been furnished to us in the other matter. In the other matter.
That is same.
Same.
yes, yes, there's
But
nothing
it is
irregular. Both the authorities say nothing is irregular.
We will.
It's just, my lord, blackmail tactic.
For the petitioner.
My lord, please see who the petitioners are. I've got photographs of the petitioner. No, I'm led by Mr. Mukherjee.
I'm sorry, my lord, I wasn't.
Photographs of the
For
petition.
further pleadings is to be exchanged.
Not
then.
necessary.
If you say, then we fix it
My
up.
lord,
from
I
there.
have defaulted.
No, we'll be praying for interim order. My lord, in terms of the previous order.
My lord, may I just say two things, my lord? I'm not, my lord. My lord, I'm saying I'm at fault. Time was given, my lord, to us also to file an affidavit. My lord, we have, my lord, not filed. My lord, I'll make a humble prayer, my lord.
You're appearing for whom?
My lord, for, my lord,
The
the
private-
all the
private
private respondents, my lord. 14 to 96.
এই হলো petitioner-এর ছবি। And this
Then
is
there
the-
is nothing in the matter.
and this
That
is-
Here as for
No,
10
no,
minutes, then
I'll research.
fine. But this is
I think-
another institutional dishonesty like the ballot education camp. Identical dishonesty.
On the face of it, my lord, there is fraud.
Yes, Mr. Mukherjee, what is your prayer?
My lord, I'm at fault. My lord, I want to, my lord, make that clear. I was to file an affidavit. My lord, we have not filed an affidavit. My lord, if your lordship grants me that prayer, well and good. Otherwise, your lordship will hear it, my lord. I'm not, my lord, standing.
রিপোর্ট গুলো তো আছে।
আমিও দেয়নি, ট্রেনে
টেনে দিয়ে দিয়েছে, টেনে দিয়েছে।
ট্রেনে affidavit দিয়েছে, বলে দিন।
My lord, the one which has, my lord, Mr. Basu, my lord. I mean, item 10.
You are in,
ওটাই আছে।
হ্যাঁ, অনিরুদ্ধ আছে অন্যটাতে।
you are in WPA 419.
I'm in WPA 160.
You are in 160.
I'm in 160
And Mr. Mukherjee is in
in the other matter, my lord, connected matter.
for the private respondent.
Yes. And in my matter, my lord, I do not.
না, অনিরুদ্ধ আছে।
Anirudh Chatterjee is.
Now,
Sir, I appear in that matter, my lord, but today I'm in a little bit of a difficulty. But
who is speaking?
Mr. Aniruddha Chatterjee
Sound
is
is-
leading me in this matter where Mr. Bhattacharya
That's
led
it.
it.
কোথায়?
So, Mr. Basu, in your matter, there was a direction for opposition or a report.
Report
From
is
the-
there.
And the,
Is there. We have
and-
filed exception also.
oh, you have filed exception.
We have also filed a supplementary affidavit upon being served with the KMC's report. We have,
You give the supplementary affidavit within a week.
I mean, in
I
the
have no
meantime,
problem
my
for
lord,
that, my lord. In the meantime, will kindly hear us.
on
Kindly
the
hear.
Hard.
no,
It was hard. There was a
there
direction.
is a
Report was not granted on the ground. That report will be there. Report filed long back.
So naturally, we
That's
will,
why, my lord, kindly hear us. We are praying for interim order.
yes, we will consider your name. We are not keeping it for hearing. We let that come on record. We keep it on
Today I will be praying for interim order. Otherwise, my lord, third party
Don't pray
interest will be
today,
created.
next day you pray. What third party?
Third party interest will be created.
So what were you doing from April 20?
may I indicate
This
to your
is
lordship,
indication-
my writ petition is of 2026. My lord, in my writ petition, kindly looks into the previous order made by this honorable court. My lord, kindly looks into it. Kindly looks into it. Lord, 11th May 2020.
Interim order not to create any third party interest. Apparent illegal construction.
And all right. And your what?
My interim order, apart from that, Milan, I was seeking, Milan, on the face of it, having fraud, having been practiced, Milan, I am saying that there should not be any, there should be complete injunction on construction. Milan, on a plot of land which is measuring X, they are constructing, Milan, 7 towers, getting permission for 4 towers, getting permission from the air.
Status of such construction.
Milord, the construction is merely proceeding. Maybe, Milord, it has been totally. Milord, today, maybe, Milord, there is a embargo because of this, Milord, that Tangra issue or this Taratala issue. Maybe there is an embargo, Milord, today. But, Milord, construction is not only merely proceeding. Apart from what Mr. Basu has said, Milord, there
Mr. Bhattacharya, we will hear you. If suppose further time is taken for supplementary evidence matter.
Milord, I put this question only to myself, Milord. Only this.
Pray that, make that prayer next week.
Only to myself, Milord.
Yes, you make that prayer next week.
Milord, I will. Milord, only hears me for one sentence more, I'll stop.
Milord, that today we have to deliver it now. We have to go into it.
Milord, if I can prima facie show your lordship one document, will your lordship see it? Only one document.
We'll see it on the next week.
Other day also, similar prayer has been made. It was adjourned on that ground. But was of the view that today my lord will be heard.
Mukherjee, we are not passing any formal order. If you file
My lord, yes, my lord, and there is already, my lord, an notification, my lord, which was issued, my lord, in June that the construction, my lord, 31st of July. My lord, all construction is stopped.
Up to 31st of July.
Yes.
Tangra issue, all construction stop.
So, my lord, there is no question of any prejudice.
Milord, if today they are selling these flats, Milord, to the prospective buyers, Milord, there should be something recorded in the brochure or the
They are
prospectus.
not claiming ownership to the property.
Already 750 flats, Milord, I am told, I have been informed, Milord, 750 flats have been already put on
My lord,
sale.
kindly have a look at the public notice, my lord, 24th June. My lord, if my learned friend, my lord,
Milord, KMC both.
But I think, my lord, the new government will not take the stand of the earlier government. It is my hope. The document is a false document, is annexed
on the face of it. On the face of
by the state in a court of law.
Milord, same memo number, Milord, different document.
So what prevented you from insisting for that interim order when the matter?
Milord, these have come only upon reports.
Court was that let the affidavit
No,
come.
no, that cannot. On
That is
that
the view
ground,
today,
you are
but it's also
opposing.
expressing that
Mr.
view.
Basu, you are opposing this prayer for filing supplementary since they are making every wrong in their property. Then what prompted you to keep silent on those?
Because the court was waiting for the affidavit, this report. After the report was produced, then my lord adjournment was sought for.
Where adjournment was not sought.
Yes,
It was
last
last
adjournment sought for.
was hard. 11th May.
Last August also adjournment sought for.
Tell us when that was the date.
Next week.
When that was the date.
May not be in a recorded, my lord.
Milord, the thing is,
Last week it was there.
Milord, it is understood. It was understood, Milord. I may be incorrect. It was understood
Milord,
on the previous day, subject to what my senior friend says, Milord, that both the matters come up for consideration for interim relief immediately after summer vacation. Milord, I indicate to your lordship, Milord, upon notice, I have been mentioning this matter, Milord, upon, Milord, completion of the summer vacation. Milord, I had brought it to the notice of the Honorable the Chief Justice, Milord, as his lordship then was. His lordship was, Milord, minded. minded to keep it, my lord, on the day, my lord, when his lordship was demitting office. That is 22nd. Thereafter, the matter did not appear. I indicated to your lordship the matter has appeared. I have no quarrel, my lord. Only this much, my lord. Kindly consider the prayer. Well, if it so comments to your lordship, if your lordship wants it next week. The next Thursday, your lordship said.
You are in 419.
I am in 160.
419.
You are in Mr. Mukherjee is in 419.
Yes, Mukherjee is in
My lord, I can no longer match them, my lord, with my voice.
I'm sorry.
We cannot match none of you on voice.
My
We are the
no,
blood.
I support my
I
learned
am
senior
now, my
friend on the
lord,
next week.
my voice is like your lordship's now. My lord, I suffer from, my lord, a vocal cord congestion now, my lord. So,
আমি তো কোনোদিন বুঝতে পারিনি
Okay, we are keeping it next Thursday. If you
Obliged.
want exchange of any pleadings or not,
Obliged, your
you do it, but we are not formal order. We are
Very well,
keeping
very
it
well.
on next Thursday.
Very well.
Thursday অনেক হয়ে গেছে।
Thursday
অনেক হয়ে গেছে আমার যে মনে
কি আরো আছে নাকি?
নেক্সট থার্সডে আবার রথযাত্রার জন্য আবার যদি গন্ডগোল হয়ে যায় মুশকিল হয়ে যাবে। আমি ওয়েডনেসডে রাখুন নাহলে
20th করে হবে।
Can it be Wednesday, my lord?
না থার্সডে রাখো ভাই।
না
আমার জানো তো বুধবার অসুবিধা সেই জন্য
রথযাত্রায় মুশকিল হয়ে যাবে, ছুটি হয়ে যাবে, কিছু হবে না।
20th রাখছি 20th 20
17 তারিখ তো ফ্রাইডে।
রথের দিন বাদ
17
না 16 তারিখ ফ্রাইডে।
No, 17th is Friday. My lord, 17th is Friday.
17 is Friday.
20 তারিখ 20th.
20th.
But 20th, there is a problem, my lord. I might not be. 17th is fine if your lordship keeps it on
But the 17th. Let it be on the 17th. We're not subject to the business of the court.
17th matter may not be reached. We have reached many matters.
My lord keeps it on the 17th. If not, my lord, it can.
আরে আমি
Yes, all the next matter.
20th করে দিয়েছি।
কি বার?
Please give an advance copy then.
Yes, yes, of course.
Order আছে না?
I am for the respondent number 10. I have here for respondent number 7.
Respondent তো এইদিকে।
My lord, kindly remember there was 3 writ petition was filed in Peel's right in targeting the same person. Oh, this is one of them. Another 2 was dismissed as withdrawn.
I'm on the behalf of
This
petitioner, your lordship.
petition is now pending. It's a 40 years old building. More than 40 years old building. I am near a tenant. Allegation is I am constructing.
Please for the petitioner.
I am on the behalf of the petitioner. Your lordship, on last occasion, your lordship directed the corporation to take instruction.
I have got the instruction.
All right. Place your case. What is your case? Tell us.
Your lordship, this is a matter of unauthorized construction and
Show us documents that it is.
your lordship,
Is your pleading? What you want? Who are you?
your lordship, I am the a person who is interested in public welfare.
You are a public spirited person. Yes, what you have stated in your petition?
Your lordship, actually, I'm begging for pardon that I have missed my brief. Your lordship, I wrongly pick up the wrong brief. I'm begging for the pardon today.
Hey, আমার briefটা দিন।
Yes, your honor, I got it.
I am giving it.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes, tell us.
Your lordship, they have constructed a G+6 story
Who
building.
has constructed?
Your lordship, the private respondent number 8 to 11, 8, 9, 10 and 11.
7 also.
Yes, your lordship, 7 also.
Construction 2003. The construction completed in 2003.
Your lordship, newly constructed. Newly constructed.
To 23.
Your lordship, they are inducting.
3 years you have come.
Your lordship, they are alienating the same.
And he is claiming he is a just tenant.
Tenant, my lord. Actually, I am
Just please keep quiet. Let him finish. We will hear all of you. Yes, tell us.
Your lordship, they are now alienating.
Tell us what is your case. Show us from the petition.
Your lordship, my prayer is that to consider my representation which I have given in annexure P1. Your lordship.
Show us how you are aggrieved. What is your allegation?
The allegation is that, your lordship,
You have made this representation on 20th May 2006.
yes, your lordship.
And you have affirmed this petition before the court on 9th June. 9th June. Achha,
Yes,
what
your
is
lordship.
your allegation? Tell us.
Your lordship, the matter is that it is very dilapidated building. It is very dilapidated building, and they are alienating and inducting tenants. Yes, your lordship, I have already mentioned it.
Where?
Urgency. I have also mentioned the urgency, your lordship. Why I have filed this in extremely urgency.
Paragraph 4.
Yes, your lordship. Paragraph
Yes,
number 4.
place paragraph 4.
Yes, your lordship. Submit that the grave public danger and necessity of filing the public interest without further reference of the administrative authorities. Your lordship, they are the G+6 storage. The first thing is that a very small piece of land, excess weight and pressure.
Read where you are. Show us where are you reading.
Sorry,
Where
your
are you reading?
page number 4, page number 5, column number 4.
Yes.
In page number line number 5, your lordship. The first point is that why the grounds of urgency I have written that the G+6 storage building has been grossly standard and dilapidated matter, as I earlier said. And second thing is that, your lordship, they are inducting the tenants on 11th month for the 11th month for the high rents. It endangered the life of the people, your lordship. They are earning the money by inducting the high rent tenant over there for the 11th month. This is very dangerous.
What?
The tenant, they are inducting the tenants on high rents, your lordship, on licensee basis for 11th month.
So what? Wait. When was the building constructed? When have you made the representation?
I have
What
made.
did you do for the last 6 years? Where is suddenly the urgency cannot come, na? What you have been doing? Show us.
Your lordship, on last occasion, they have not inducted.
This is an apprehension you are saying. This building which has been constructed may collapse.
Yes, your
This
lordship.
is your argument.
Yes, your lordship. And the passage is
So
very
we are
narrow.
not experts that whether the building will be which has been constructed for last 7 years. 7 years, you didn't raise any voice of protest.
Your lordship, what I prayed was only to represent my consideration in page number 21, your lordship, nothing else. If the authority think it is dilapidated or danger in nature.
Explain to us that what did you do for the last 6 years? And what did you do when, where are you residing? You must be in adjoining place.
Your lordship, we are residing at the Tikiapada. We are using that passage at Madatala line, your lordship. There are the 100 of people using that road, your lordship. 100 of shop are there. 100 of people are residing there. No fire license is also there. I have also mentioned in my representation, your lordship. Even thou.
ইমরানের কাছে যাদের কাছ থেকে করেছে
Yes, your lordship.
Against Imran.
Yes, your lordship.
On the allegation that he is illegally applying one auto.
Yes, your lordship.
And another
building.
Which was withdrawn, your lordship.
There also relating to one building where Imran Khan was tenant.
And you withdrew.
Yes, your lordship. We withdraw that with the direction to file a specific particular with a specific particular.
Here, Imran is just one tenant in respect of the
Yes, your
building.
lordship.
So a tenant cannot get any authority to make any construction.
Your lordship, honor is also not coming here.
Total
Owners are not made party.
square. Area at the ground.
Have you said about this total unauthorized area?
Unauthorized deviation is there, my lord. It is a building of 2003.
Right. It was an episode was there in 2003. Stop work notice was
Notice
issued.
was there.
Complaint was issued. Then suddenly everything went off and the building.
G+5 was the sanction plan.
Pardon?
G+5 was the sanction plan.
G+5.
G+5 is the
Was the
sanction.
sanction.
Sanctioned.
Now the present building is how many stories?
6. Only one floor is one floor is fully unauthorized and not sanctioned.
But why you are saying total unauthorized area at O?
Deviation, my lord. There is deviation. Ground floor to 5th floor, there is deviation of so much.
I don't understand. Ground floor.
Ground floor to 5th floor.
6th floor.
No.
There was no sanction for the 6th floor.
There was no sanction for the 6th floor. I have referred, my lord, that from ground floor to 5th floor, there is deviation total 185.628 square meter. And in the 6th floor, it is completely unauthorized, no sanction. That is 168.268 square meter is the full construction in the 6th floor.
Take steps.
So why you are not taking steps?
The representation is given on 20th May 2026.
When did you after we passed the order, you went for an inspection?
Yes, that is written there, my lord. We have went for inspection was done on 2nd July 2026.
Very good. So upon inspection, you have found that there is an unauthorized
Construction.
Then you have to take steps.
I will go for a hearing under section 177. We will call them for a hearing. If both the parties.
177.
Hey, 177.
The Howrah Municipal Corporation.
Howrah Municipal Corporation.
Sure.
I'm sorry, madam. I'm giving. আর একটা বই লাগবে দুটো করে বই আনো না কেন জজ স্যারকে একটা বই দেবো আমি
Substituted.
You start proceedings under 170.
As you know. Inspection has been done. Now we will call them for a hearing. Thereafter we will pass the reasoned order and thereafter cause demolition if they do not demolish themselves. But fact is this one, the landlord is required to be made a party here. Let the landlord also made the.
Okay, you will
notice to the necessary parties.
Fact is this, the landlord are required parties and the person who has constructed the building is also a required party. So those parties are required first for us because
we will say you will take steps under 177 upon granting an opportunity of hearing to the landlord and the parties in this petition. That will serve your purpose.
And my lord, I will also affix a notice of hearing at the site also because
for them, in their presence order is being passed. So you intimate to them, they will appear. Address is there. But what you are suggesting?
I'm suggesting subject to approval of your lordships. We will give notice to them, but we think that a further notice is to be required to be pasted in the building itself.
Who is the landlord?
Find out from your assessment record.
Your lordship, they have constructed the building. The landlord is, I don't know who they are.
We asked you that question. We asked who is the landlord.
Pardon. Your lordship, landlord is missing. They have illegally occupied that property and then constructed. And there is no source we are finding about the landlady. That was the landlady.
That is the problem. Landlady is not.
They are the main who constructed it.
I can call them for a hearing, but landlady is required. In any manner, I will try.
You give
The person responsible is required to be served.
Your lordship,
Procedure is the person responsible is the
as
first.
per your assessment record, who is paying rent to you? Who is paying?
No one's spending
tax to
rent.
you?
Illegal
Tax to you.
occupants.
No tax is being paid.
So why you not taken steps?
2003 building.
No, landlord is under 177. Where is that provision?
My lord, 177, there is a provision that the person responsible is going to be given the notice first.
Read this. I think.
I am sorry, my lord, একটা বই
দাও এটা ওনাকে।
কেন দুটো করে বই আনো না?
Whether person in occupation can be proceeded with.
My lord, that is a problem there.
Against the person in occupation also.
I am placing.
Without
so
paying the original landlord, my lord. Well, their allegation is that private respondents are constructing this building. But the fact remains that these particular respondents are only the tenant. They are only paying rent. And apart from
My lord,
that,
explanation 2. The person at whose instance the building has been erected. At the middle, man.
You must have sanctioned the building plan up to 5th floor in favor of a particular person.
Yes, ma'am. I have it. I have the name, but I don't know why. Whether I can trace out. In any manner, I have to do because I am the person responsible who has given the sanction plan. I have to do it. If your lordship directs, I will do it. Explanation 2, my lord. At whose instance the building has been erected.
my lord,
Yes, yes.
my lord, Lord, what happened? My lord,
Whatever you have to say, you tell the commissioner. We are sending you there.
no, my lord, only the maintainability of this writ petition, my lord. This writ petition as a appeal not maintainable before this court.
Why?
Because there is a determination of illegal construction before this honorable court, and whatever is stated in this writ petition is just a private grievance. And allegation is unfounded, and there is no substance. They have
Unauthorized
tried to
construction can be
substantiate
complained.
also their claim in the
Unauthorized construction
representation
can
that
be
the
complained.
private respondent are constructed.
It is always there.
Fact behind that, my lord, I have already told you, my lord, that actual target is my client, Imran Khan. They have filed a writ petition against one person, and their main and agents are filed 3 appeal before this honorable court just to harass me. And at present, my other tenants are creating pressure upon me to so I can leave my position. I have already filed on civil suit also before this Howrah court and get an injunction. But that is not the case. That the case is that whether this particular appeal in this form is maintainable or not.
My lord, at first the jurisdiction. My lord, I'm for the for respondent number 10, I'm for 789. My lord, what he's saying, his client previously filed one writ application.
You are a tenant. You are a tenant.
We both are tenants.
So very good. They proceed that that does not give an opportunity that no proceeding shall start against an unauthorized construction.
Yes, you can.
Yes.
But the court, jurisdiction of the court, whether you can come before the filing a appeal, or you should have to go before the court having the jurisdiction under municipal act. My lord, with regard to that, I want to submit your lordship 2 books. One is 2010 3 SCC 402.
আমাদেরকে এটা করে কপি দাও দেখি।
My lord, kindly go through paragraph number 43, then 143, then 161, then 181, and 158. First, my lord, kindly come to paragraph 158.
One 143,
143,
161.
143, 161, 181, and 158. First, 143. abuse of public interest litigation. Unfortunately, of late, it has been noticed that such an important jurisdiction, which has been carefully carved out, created and nurtured with great care and caution by the court, is being blatantly abused by filling some petition with oblique motive. Now, this is what going on in this writ petition, because this previously his client filed a writ against this person making the construction. That was allowed. That was allowed by this honorable court.
What petition?
WPA number 25343 of 2025. That was allowed.
But by whom?
By my Lord Justice. Respondent number 10 filed against the petitioner.
No, not at all, Your Lordship.
Not the petitioner, associates of the petitioner. And that was allowed. My Lord, kindly go through this.
I'm sorry.
That was allowed.
I have another.
Only for
I have another book.
grievances. He has filed this first. He has made this communication and filed 3 writ petition.
Who is Imran Khan?
Imran Khan is white light respondent number 10.
Imran filed a writ petition against whom? Pertaining to the same property.
I am giving you.
Different property. This is a different property.
Yes, yes, my lord. Nasir Hossain, one Nasir Hossain, who was the private respondent in that writ petition, particularly. These person are the main and agents.
Then writ petition has been preferred. Twelve and 13 same, Mr. Bhattacharya.
13 is a different matter, my lord. 12 pertains to OBC certificate, my lord. My lord, may I just hand it over, my lord. Similar matter, my lord. Learned AG is appearing in the matter, my lord, has fixed it on 27th. Same issues, my lord. Same issue. Thank you. OBC, it also. Similar issues, my lord, on 27th, my lord, has been pleased to fix. Adil Hussain, one order for sir. Similar issues involved, my lord, kindly keeps it on 27th.
I'm not sure. If the issues are similar, I have no difficulty. But this is a very,
I don't remember if.
But in the meantime, let them come up with the affidavits. I don't want to waste time.
My lord,
It's a very important
that matter,
constitution.
my lord, already, my lord, Learned AG has been instructed to seek instructions on the matter, my lord.
Pardon?
Learned AG has been directed to seek instruction, my lord. Kindly takes the order, my lord, which I placed.
Affidavit will take a further time, Mr. Bhattacharya. On that date, we will decide. They will be coming with instruction on.
Let us see that we can be hard it out.
We have been informed that a similar matter has been fixed. We can hear it, Mr. Bandyopadhyay. If your matter comes tomorrow, we will identical. It's what you are suggesting, tell us. I mean, if Mr. Bhattacharya.
No, tomorrow হবে না.
Kindly keep it on any day, next week then, Mano.
We will keep it on Monday then. Monday will be at
Monday. Monday.
Oh, someone mentioned this item number 13.
এখন মেনশন করেছিল
In the minute.
Oh.
Today you have mentioned.
Mr. Bhattacharya, can we keep it tomorrow then?
Tomorrow, next week, any date, subject to the convenience of all. Because the argument would be on the identical issue. I don't think there is no difficulty.
Monday monthly list.
Monday list. Wednesday, subject to close convenience.
Thursday because
Thursday.
Kindly keep it next Thursday then.
Application for review of your lordship's order dated 29th January 2026. Page 5 of my memo of review. Order dated 29th January 2026. You also got it?
Yes.
Order dated 29th January 2026. So it's an order passed by. Yes.
কত পৃষ্ঠা দেখাচ্ছিস?
ওই তো মেমো, ওইটাই।
এটা সিঙ্গেল বেঞ্চের অর্ডার।
আরে মেমোটাতে দেখুন, মেমোতে। Yes, ওইটা। Order sheet, order sheet.
Yes.
Yes, against the Lord, by challenging the judgment, Lord, we went before the Honorable Supreme Court. Honorable Supreme Court passed an order by directing, by giving liberties to the petitioner to file a review application before this Honorable Court. Lordship, running page judgment, Lord, paragraph 3 of the judgment, paragraph 3, running page 3 of the judgment.
Yes.
It is not true, Lord. May I read, Lord? Oh. Lord, may I read? Previously, there was a rule 69. It was admitted that there was a two category founder and donor. Petitioner father donated the land. He was the founder member. And after the demise of petitioner father, petitioner was the member on the same capacity. But in the year 2014, Lord, new rule came into operation, 72 management rules. Lord, after that, Lord, we made a representation before the authority to consider my case, to include me as a member in the managing committee. That was rejected. That was not rejected. Against the inaction of the authority, I came before this Honorable Court. That is in my stay petition, my Lord, page 18. Your Lordship kindly sees. And this Honorable Court passed an order on the basis of the rule, new rules, 72 rules, directing the authority to consider our representation. Accordingly, my Lord, that is the page 18, Lordship kindly turn it, of my stay petition, page 18 of this order. That was not considered when the order was passed by your Lordship, my Lord. Lordship kindly sees that order, page 18 of my stay petition.
Yes.
That order was passed on the basis of the rule, new rule, management rules 1972. After that, my Lord.
Not on the basis of this.
Yes, Lordship kindly sees.
As the new rule has come, you can make a representation.
Yes, I make a representation, but there was no action against the inaction of the authority. We
go to consider the representation.
Yes, that representation was considered, page 20 and 21. Page 20, later written by the teacher in charge of the school to come forward with the documents. Page 20, my Lord.
Very good. Yes.
Thereafter, page 21. On the basis of new rule and on the strength of the Honorable High Court's order, my candidature was accepted. Now they cannot be voted.
It's go
Yes.
slow.
Yes, yes.
When did the new rules come into operation?
2014.
That is the 72 rules.
Yes, that is the 72 rules. After converted the school into government-sponsored institution.
Who is the authority to induct you as a founder member?
Lord,
That the 72.
the 72 rules, but DI also wrote a letter to the
A question. Under the old rules, any approval was to be required from the DI?
No,
And from the
there was a
new rules,
registered deed
have
of,
you brought the new rules? Who is the authority to consider your case for insertion of the name as a founder?
that is the school authority, my lord.
Sorry, it cannot be the school, it has to be with the approval of the DI. Check up the rules, 72 rules have been checked up. Bring the 72 rules, bring the previous rules.
All right. Lord,
After the matter is taken up, you will say, I will down.
my lord, in the year 2014, my lord, that is in my memorandum of appeal in the MAT number 1390 of 2025, the district inspector of school, after converted the school into sponsored institution and also after promulgation of new rule, wrote a letter to the deputy secretary of the academic board to consider our cases.
Board is the author.
Yes, accordingly, board was considered and my candidature was accepted by the school authority.
Where is the board order?
What is the
Board order is not at my hand.
Why you are saying board?
The DI order is in my hand, my lord.
Was the DI?
Sir, that is in my writ petition, my lord, MAT number 1390 of 2025. I am annexed the DI's letter in the year of 2014.
DI referred the matter to the deputy secretary.
Deputy secretary.
That was after the new rules.
Yes, after the new rule.
For reconsideration, did they pass any order? They did not pass it.
No pass.
So you preferred the writ petition.
Writ petition?
Now the writ petition says.
No, my lord. After that, my lord, after that, in the year 2016, I prepared a writ petition. That is page 18 of my stay application, my lord.
We are wanting to know when did the DI refer it to the board?
DI referred to the board in the year of 2014.
After the rule, new rules.
After the new rules.
14 new rules.
After we find them.
After the new rules.
24 the new
2014. 2014.
14 and converted in the year of 2024, 2000.
No, my lord. No, government sponsor in the year of 2013.
After conversion, there is no scope, my lord.
After conversion of the school, new rule has been promulgated in the year 2014. And thereafter, DI wrote a letter to the Deputy Secretary of Academic Board, my lord, to reconsider our prayer. And thereafter, my lord, school authority passed an order.
Please give us the dates. You are arguing a matter.
Oh, rule
Your 72 rules came into effect from which date? Date.
Yes.
You don't know. Then when was this school converted into a sponsored?
In the year 2013.
Again year 2013.
January 2013, my lord. January 2013, school was converted into sponsored institution.
Very good. You tell us who is the authority considered this prayer under the statute.
No, that is the board. DI wrote a letter to the board. But at present, I am
wrote a letter to the board. Then what did the board do?
The board were kept mum, my lord.
So thereafter you came to the High Court.
High Court.
Now kindly come to page 18.
Yes. That was the Honorable High Court's order.
Now Honorable High Court, what did you say?
Yes.
Petitioner submitted an application for inclusion in accordance with 5 Roman 2 and offered permanent membership.
Yes.
Respondent number 6 till date had not passed any order.
Yes.
So order was passed upon the teacher in charge to consider.
Yes, teacher
in charge has considered in your favor.
Yes. Passed an order in favor of me.
Then the chapter stops now. Why it was referred to the board by the DI?
But prior to that, it was referred to the board. The order passed on 23rd of November 2016. Prior to that,
annex the 12th August order, you filed another writ petition. Where is this order? This order is arising out of an order passed by in WPA 14784 of 2025.
Yes, that is in my stay petition.
Where is the stay petition?
Page below 8.
Come back at work.
This writ petition was dismissed.
Yes, this writ petition was dismissed.
Challenging this order of dismissal, you papered
Yes,
that.
yes, papered and appeal. Lord, may I submit one thing, Lord? May I come back to that Monday, my lord, with the new rules and the old rules.
And he was with me.
And also with the letter written by the district inspector of school in the year of 2014, and also the my lord, the school was converted into sponsored institution later, my lord.
To file a supplementary affidavit in that case.
Yes.
কোর্ট অবজার্ভ করেছে, যেটা করেছে সেটাই বল অবজার্ভ যে নিগুড়ে হয় in who existence of body organization and society is found which aided
A direction be given for filing a supplementary affidavit
by annexing the school conversion into sponsored institution, and as well as the DI's letter to the board.
Course of hearing Mr. Mukherjee, learned advocate,